How to make a playlist on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can make a playlist on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, making a playlist on YouTube is very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch your YouTube application here. Then just tap your profile icon from bottom right, and here you'll find playlist. You can tap the view all button to view your current playlist over here. And to create a custom playlist, you can tap on create a new playlist, and first of all you can choose to add some videos at that playlist, and then just tap the next option. You can simply give this playlist a name depending on what you like. You can choose to make it private, public, or unlisted. I'll just make it private and then tap the create option, and then my playlist will get successfully created over here. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically create a playlist on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.